Hello Nigeria, hello Africa, hello bakers and pastry lovers all over the world. Is your girl, your favorite baker, the recipe queen.
Well done. So we're on to the 15th recipe now. Jump, jump, are you ready for us? Are you ready for us? Jump, 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 jump. The 15th recipe, DJ.
The next recipe is my buttermilk spice cake recipe.
Buttermilk spiced cake recipe. Back to lectures, back to class.
So
the
for this
15th recipe.
We need 4 cups of flour,
4 cups of flour,
2 cups of sugar,
2 cups of sugar,
2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor,
2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor,
2 tablespoons of baking powder,
2 tablespoons of baking powder,
1 cup of vegetable oil,
1 cup of vegetable oil,
2 cups of buttermilk,
2 cups of buttermilk,
4 eggs,
4 eggs,
1 teaspoon of salt,
1 teaspoon of salt,
and 2 teaspoons of grated nutmeg.
Teaspoons of grated nutmeg. Buttermilk spiced cake recipe. 4 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavors, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of buttermilk, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of grated nutmeg. These are the ingredients for buttermilk spiced cake recipe. This is the 15th recipe. In another 7 minutes, we are on to the 6th hour of today. A round of applause for Jump Jump! Please clap for her. It's not easy. She's doing an amazing work. Giving you detailed recipes. Please celebrate her.
I have my sugar, buttermilk, oil, then I'm going to add the grated nutmeg. Then now I'm using the vanilla essence. So I need 2 teaspoons. Then in here I have my flour, baking powder and salt. So oil, sugar, buttermilk, grated nutmeg, flavor in the mixing bowl. So we are going to give it a stir. This one is very easy to make, with or without mixer. With your hand, you're good to go. Then I'm going to add the eggs. Same time, everything. Then the dry ingredients. So in here I have 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, then salt 1 teaspoon. So now I'll mix everything together, combine the whole ingredients. So the reason why it's spiced is because I added my grated nutmeg. Since grated nutmeg is a spice type, so, and remember I'm using buttermilk, so 2 cups of buttermilk as well. So this cake is my buttermilk spiced cake recipe. Our cake batter is ready. So our cake batter is ready. So creamy. So it's time for us to distribute the cake batter into the pans. Make sure you line the base because this is an oil-based cake recipe.
The 15th recipe, buttermilk spiced cake. The reason for the spice is because she added 2 teaspoons of grated nutmeg. Don't forget, 15th recipe, buttermilk spiced cake.
So it's time for us to bake. I have to put all the pans on the baking tray, then inside the oven. So that is all. Hope you understood the process. Am I too fast?